Hello. Welcome back to my channel with Lupita. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we have our new releases for the month of October, you guys. Okay, I know I'm a little behind, but they are here now. One thing before we get started is take advantage. Today is the last day for our Labor Day sale. Today is Tuesday the 6th, and I am having a sale on my sticker shop for 25% off. And if you usually buy from my other website, which is dareatodream.com, where I sell keychains, wallets, and other things, you guys can check it out. That one right now is 30% off. Okay, so check it out. I need a lot of those things gone, so check them out please on dareatodream.com. Okay, now let's go ahead and let's get started on our October stickers. I hope you guys like them. Please let me know which design is your favorite. Leave me a thumbs up if you like any of these designs, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. You're gonna find like a lot of content that has to do with budget, that has to do, of course, cash envelope, paycheck to paycheck, savings challenges, and all of those things. Okay, so if that's the kind of thing that you're looking for, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below and be part of my journey. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Here we go. These are all the stickers that are new to my shop. Okay, they are now available. Now, before I go ahead and continue, don't forget, today is the last day to get 25% off. Okay, thanks to Labor Day. So here we go. Okay, now if you didn't know about the sale, I did post it on my community tab here on YouTube, and I did post it on Facebook and on Instagram. So if you don't follow me on Instagram or Facebook, go ahead and do so, because these are the kind of things that you might be missing if you don't follow me there yet. So on Instagram you can find me as @LupitaAide, and on Facebook you can find me as Plan with Lupita Aide. Anyway, the links are gonna be down below. Okay, so this is my new scripts. Okay, so this one was for Ureli, and she has cash and plans. So thank you, Ureli, for requesting the this form. She did request it a couple weeks ago, and she told me, whenever I have time, and I guess she knew I was very busy, but it's finally done. So here it is, transactions. Okay, it is a big sheet. So, and I have other scripts this same size, this same font, and it comes with like a little washi on the side, one on the bottom as well. So if you are interested on any of these scripts that I have now on the shop, go ahead and take advantage today that they are 25% off. I also have our monthly kits, and here is I'm gonna move them on the side so you don't see like the whole thing distracting you. So here we go. These are the bill dues. Okay, these are the original bill dues that I have. Okay, and these are your favorites, or at least a lot of your guys's favorites. Okay, so I have only one color. You guys can always go back 2 months back and see if any of those colors, if you want to have different colors, you're interested in. Okay, I no longer have like I used to, where I used to leave all the bill dues open or available. I don't do that anymore, because people were just always just buying the first 2 months. So I feel like it's just adding up more stickers on my shop. And then we have this one. A lot of people use these as for expenses, daily expenses on their planners. So I decided to have this one as well. This one is mostly requested by a friend of mine here on YouTube, Pamela. These are her favorite. So yeah, and then I have these that are similar to my very first ones when I recently started with Cricut. So another friend of mine here on YouTube, Glenda, she's the one that requested them back. She was like, do you remember those bill dues you used to have? She sent me a picture, I believe, of what she was talking about, and I redid them on silhouette. So they are these I decided to make them different colors just so that, you know, you guys can have a variety of colors to choose from. So I did went with colors that could go with this month's kit. Okay, so take again advantage of the sale that we have going on, and if these are something that you would like to take, if you notice, it's like having two of these, okay, but they're just different design. Okay, so take advantage. Now let's go ahead and let's go with our planner kits. I'm gonna start with Happy Planner just because it was in the front. Okay. Okay, so we have our first design. It is our pumpkin, and it has like little baskets and pumpkins. I think this one is so cute. I'm trying to have it focused. There you go. So this is for our happy planners, you guys. And then we have this one. I decided to just call it spider web. Okay, I'm really bad with the names, so anyway, this is our other one. You know, we are already around the corner from Halloween, so I did not want to go without having at least one design that has to do with Halloween. By the way, before I forget, I have like 4 or 5 orders received from yesterday. I have more, but 4 of those, I did a mistake yesterday, you guys. I did not add my washi to my shop before the first 4 or 5 customers put in their order. So I'm gonna call out your names. So if Glenda, Ophelia, Pamela, and Cecilia, if you guys ordered, there might be another one, but I don't have her print yet. If you guys needed washing and you guys didn't see it, it's because it was not there. I forgot to upload it. So big shout out to Lisa Marie, creatively Lisa Marie. Okay, but her name is Lisa Marie. My gosh, she texted me. She was like, hey, what happened with your washi? Is there not any this month? Before I put in my order, and I checked. First of all, I was like, what are you talking about? And then I went to my shop and they were not there, you guys. So if you were gonna order washi, please let me know. Send me a message. Okay, that was my bad. Yesterday I was trying to upload everything because it's like I was gonna go out with the kids and I wanted to leave all of the stickers uploaded, and I thought I did all of them. I forgot to put those active. Okay, so probably I didn't forget, I just missed them, I don't know, but yeah, so they're up, you guys. Okay, this is our third design. Okay, so I have always somebody asking me for flowers, so I decided to have flowers that are similar to the colors that I have on the other kits. Okay, so let's go with our Erin Condren, same thing. Okay, our little pumpkins with our little baskets, pretty cute. Okay, and then you guys know I love to put your extra sticker up there. Here is our Halloween. Oh my goodness, there you go. And here is our third one. Now you notice I always put here my other channel's name, my current channel, and then my Instagram. So my Instagram will always be there. Okay, I'll probably add in the future the Facebook, not sure. Okay, so let's go ahead. This is for my newest. You guys know I recently started doing kits for the Budget Mom workbook. Okay, so you guys can always head out to MT. I think her name is MT Budgets. I don't remember exactly her channel name, but I know her name is also well, not the same as Liza. Okay, her name is Liza, and she's always buying from me for her planners, and one of them is the Budget Mom. So she was always ordering, and I believe I have someone else, but I don't remember if she ever asked me for the design for the Budget Mom workbook. I think she did. Which is Erica. So I had a couple people ordering the big kits from Erin Condren, and I think they were using them for their workbook planner. So I finally decided and had the time to make the design to be able to fit the workbook. Now, what I was saying about Liza, she did modify her workbook to fit into the rings of Happy Planner. So she does cuts a little bit on the sides. So it's perfect the fact that I decided to put the dates separate to you guys, so you guys can accommodate them however you guys like. Okay, so this is our workbook kit. Okay, so this is our spider one. And then we have our, I had no idea how to call this, you guys. I could just call it summer fall, because it's like we're here where I am, California. It's still hot. It is 6 in the morning right now, and it's already like 75 degrees. I'm dying in here. I'm gonna turn on my AC as soon as I'm done. Okay, well, maybe not, because I'm hot because I have the light right next to me. But even without the light, it was already 75. I checked the weather and it was already 73 when I checked an hour ago. So this is our last one when it comes to our kits. Okay, there you go. Okay, so let's go ahead with our washies, because these are the ones that I did not have active. So here is our pumpkins. Okay, beautiful, beautiful pumpkins. There you go. And then we have our spider web. And we have our summer fall. Cute. Which one is your favorite, guys? Spiderweb, summer fall, or pumpkin? Now, I did had a request, okay, for these. Okay, so if you guys, I do have these that I usually use for my planner. It is for rent. It never crossed my mind of those that own their home and that don't pay rent but pay mortgage. So it's been, what, 2 years? And I finally came up with mortgage, okay? So I don't remember the name, but somebody left me a comment of, you know, how about mortgage? So here we go. And I do have it in colors, you know, purple, yellow, orange, green, blue, red. And I also have it all in black, okay? I thought, and it's funny, when I was done making it, I was like, oh, it's funny because when you compare the little houses, it's like, you know, this one, you can tell this one could be a house for rent, and you can tell this one can be a house for mortgage. So I loved it, you know. I didn't saw that when I was choosing my little house, But once they were printed and cut, I was like, oh, hey, you know, it goes the house with mortgage and it goes the house for rent. I don't know. That's just me. That's just my thoughts, okay? Let's go ahead and now the rest, which is our cash envelopes, sinking funds, monthly budget, paycheck 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Of course, I always gonna print only the 1 and 2. And our debt tracker, avalanche. These are all the same. Okay, this time I did not came. You guys already know, sometimes I like to come up with 2 colors, sometimes just one that fits all. So this month is only 1. Okay, and that's because I was very behind. October, usually I like to bring out my kits after the 15th, but in August I did not brought out any releases. So now I'm gonna start working already on the other ones, but you don't want to miss today's last day of 25% off. Okay, when I say today, I mean Monday. Okay, Monday, September 5th. Okay, it is the last day for the, I did only 2 days because I didn't have the stickers ready on the weekend, and I worked Friday, Saturday night, went to church on Sunday, so I was unable to upload the stickers. So I didn't want to put the sale and not have the stickers and then put the stickers after the sale. It made no sense for me. Okay, so that's why I waited for the sale of Labor Day weekend, and that is why I decided to do it. Well, it's not even Monday today. Today is Tuesday. So today, Tuesday, my bad. Today, Tuesday the 6th, is the last day for the 25% off. So my sale actually began yesterday, Monday, and it will end today, Tuesday. Okay, so that is it, you guys. This month's free stickers that you guys are gonna get. Usually the main one is this one. I've been thinking on changing it. Okay, not now, but you know, it's an idea. I've been thinking about it. But the one thing I started sending was the little extra stickers. So this month I'm not gonna send the one that I usually do, which is the same one that already comes in your kit. Okay, so this one already comes in your kit. Okay, the only reason why I was sending it out is because some of you don't order kits, you guys order other things, so you guys don't have that sticker. That's why. But this month I decided to just make one, and it will be this one. Okay, so this is our free, or part of our free stickers that it's going to be going in your orders. This one is not a must. Okay, if I don't have it, I don't have it. This one is a must. This one is the little extra thing I decided to just add to my orders as a thank you. So yeah, that is it. Of course, all of the kits, you can add the dots if they, except for the workbook, it already comes included. But for Happy Planner, Erin Condren, you guys can always add your dots. Okay, so I have them sold separately if you want it with dots or without dots. And that is it, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment telling me which one is your favorite kit. Okay, and we can go from there. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.